we are. We're very excited to be handing over the 15,000 Carlisle home. What an amazing milestone for our customers, for the whole team here at Carlisle. Steph, you've looked after these customers with the operations team. What does it mean to be handing over our 15,000th house?
It's really exciting. I'm so happy to be here. I've been at Carlisle for 12 years and to see this is just a great achievement.
Hello, I'm Bhupinder and he's my husband, Rajbir. We came here with the two children, Harshbir and Arunbir.
Yeah, mostly our experience start from the sales concern. It's a Jane. She's really nice. She explain everything. She have lots of experience.
Hi, I'm Jane Jackson. I've been at Carlisle Homes for nearly 5 years and I'm based at the Meridian display. I met Raj and his beautiful family back in Alliston Estate down in Clyde when they were exploring the different floor plans for their family and their needs to finally land on the beautiful Montpelier design.
And after then we meet in couple in color selection girls. They also teach our very well. They design, they know the color combination, they teach very well. And the next step is supervisor Andrew. Andrew also is a great supervisor. Our expectation, they beat every our expectation what we think is. Maybe end of next week and we start a housewarming. It's more than 100 people visiting. We have a big excited day, so all my friends, everyone calling me and waiting when the housewarming.